Backing up your WordPress website without a plugin involves two steps: backing up your files and database. Here's how to do it. Backup website files. Access your site files. Use an FTP client like FileZilla or access your server's file manager via cPanel. Download files. Navigate to the public_HTML folder. Select all files and folders, including WP content. WP includes WP admin and others. Create a zip archive. Compress the selected files into a zip archive to save space. Download the zip file. After compression, download the zip file to your local computer or external storage. Backup the database. Access phpMyAdmin. Log into cPanel and open phpMyAdmin under the Databases section. Select your WordPress database. In phpMyAdmin, select the database used by your WordPress site. Export the database. Click the Export tab. Choose the Quick Export method and SQL format. Click Go to download the database backup. Store the backup. Save both the website files and database backups on a secure location like cloud storage or an external drive for safekeeping.